In this climate of uncertainty, market psychology takes center stage, influencing perceptions and decisions. Investors often fall prey to recency bias, allowing recent downturns to cloud their judgment. Panic ensues as income investors fear the long-term viability of their dividends, questioning if SCHD can rebound or if it has indeed lost its luster. As whispers of income panic circulate, many wonder if they've missed the boat. In the face of shifting market dynamics, the fear of stability fading intensifies, leaving investors in a precarious state. This looming uncertainty compels a reassessment of strategies, as they seek to navigate this volatile landscape, hoping to find assurance in the underlying fundamentals rather than mere speculation. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. What the 28 cents Q4 dividend really means. The announcement of a 28 cents dividend in Q4 raises eyebrows, yet understanding its implications reveals more than just a number. Investors should focus on the broader trend of dividend smoothing, which prioritizes consistent returns over erratic spikes in payouts. Sustainable dividends are crucial for long-term growth, reassuring stakeholders about future performance. Many investors often misconceive Q4 dividends as an indication of an ETF's overall health. Recognizing the true significance of the Q4 dividend helps investors make informed decisions, emphasizing that a modest distribution today lays the groundwork for a more stable and prosperous ETF in the future. Understanding this shift in perspective is key to appreciating sustainable growth. Dividend growth versus dividend quality. In the complex world of investing, understanding the distinction between dividend growth and dividend quality is essential for creating a sustainable portfolio. Dividend growth emphasizes increasing payouts, while dividend quality ensures consistency. Key factors to consider include the dividend growth rate compared to its reliability, which affects long-term investment success. Investors must remain vigilant, steering clear of dividend traps while seeking out dividend aristocrats that symbolize reliability and strong fundamentals. By prioritizing balance sheet strength and focusing on free cash flow, one can make informed decisions that enhance their financial stability in ever-changing markets. SCHD screening system explained slowly. In essence, SCHD's approach mirrors a diligent auditor, meticulously assessing each company's financial health rather than simply pursuing high dividends, ensuring a more robust investment strategy for its index. By applying stringent quality filters, SCHD emphasizes sustainability. Quality investors can experience more stable returns, as the index focuses on companies with strong fundamentals, high return on equity, and manageable debt levels. This thorough evaluation allows SCHD to cultivate a resilient and performant investment portfolio, steering clear of short-term temptations for the long haul. Why post-2025 may be the sweet spot. In the lead-up to 2025, we may witness a period of interest rate normalization, which could serve as a crucial turning point for dividend-focused investments. Additionally, dividend catch-up cycles may offer compelling opportunities for investors seeking reliable income streams. As we emerge from these trends, it becomes clear that strategic positioning in dividend ETFs may yield significant rewards, aligning with historical patterns and investor behaviors that frequently signal breakthroughs in earnings and return on investment. SCHD during market stress. In times of market stress, retirees lean towards stability, prioritizing sound investments over high-risk opportunities. Their focus is on preserving capital rather than chasing rapid growth. By understanding the importance of volatility resilience and defensive sectors, retirees can navigate market turbulence effectively, demonstrating that in investing, sometimes being boring leads to enduring success and survivability. Total return thinking. Total return thinking encompasses various financial strategies, highlighting the importance of both dividends and price appreciation in optimizing investments. The concept of reinvestment compounding plays a crucial role in maximizing returns. Ultimately, understanding total return thinking requires appreciating the snowball effect of reinvesting dividends and the power of time as a genuine asset. By focusing on these elements, investors can enhance their financial outcomes and appreciate the true potential of their investments. SCHD versus popular alternatives. In the world of investments, SCHD serves a unique purpose, distinct from high-yield ETFs that focus solely on maximizing dividends. While covered call strategies offer income through option premiums, SCHD focuses on dividend growth. While SCHD, high-yield ETFs, covered call strategies, and pure growth ETFs all operate in the investment landscape, each tool plays a different role suited for diverse investor needs and strategies. Understanding these distinctions is key to informed investment decisions. WHO SCHD is actually for? SCHD caters to several investor profiles, including retirees, pre-retirees, and income-focused accumulators, valuing dependability over excitement. SCHD emphasizes stability and long-term growth. In essence, SCHD serves as a reliable investment option for those seeking to build wealth safely while providing consistent income, reaffirming its core truth that dependable strategies often yield the most significant benefits in the long run. The quiet years build wealth. The future remains bright, as the journey does not conclude with 2025. Instead, it invites opportunities for those willing to wait and witness the transformative growth that follows. Cultivating patience will ultimately yield the rewards sought by steadfast investors. The path of investment is often unpredictable, yet it is critical to recognize that pauses can precede remarkable advancements. In the end, those who endure through the quiet years will find themselves standing at the forefront of unprecedented wealth, echoing the truth that steadfastness in investments, especially in SCHD, truly paves the way for remarkable success ahead. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe.